Tesco Lotus has recently announced that it's a first zero carbon store in Asia. We have more in this business journal. As we can see from disasters struck many parts of the world in the past couple of years, the world has started to experience the effects of global warming. The impacts of global warming caused a massive number of people's lives and damaged infrastructure. Carbon dioxide is a major cause of global warming. To raise awareness on environmental concerns, Tesco Lotus Thailand has recently opened its first zero-carbon store in Bang Phra district of Chonburi province. The first zero-carbon store means that net carbon dioxide emission from lighting, air conditioning, and refrigerant in this store will be zero over the year. This aims to reduce the impact on the environment. Tesco Lotus is now fighting to reach its target of 50% reduction of carbon emission to 750,000 tons within the year 2020 from over 1.5 million tons in 2006 baseline.
Yeah, we target to reduce 50% of the carbon emission by the year of 2020, right? Which now we are at the 2012. We start our mission in year 2006, right? Now we're about half year of the target now.
So the target is reducing 50%?
50% of the carbon emission that we emitted in 2006.
Okay. Tesco Lotus has come up with 99 initiatives to reduce energy consumption, which can create carbon dioxide. All the initiatives are built in the zero-carbon store with interesting features such as LED lighting, solar farmed, wind turbine, natural refrigeration, biogas system, rammed earth walls, and rainwater reservation. LED lighting gives more brightness and helps save power. It is also environmentally friendly because it does not contain lead or mercury and it does not emit UV. This zero-carbon store generates electricity by using solar energy in solar farm with a PV cells on the rooftop. The electricity created by solar farm accounts for about 70% of what the store needs for operation. Besides electricity from solar farm, another form of alternative energy utilized for electricity is a low-speed wind turbine. Natural refrigeration with hydrocarbon, which emits less carbon emission than conventional widely used refrigerants, is also used to reserve fresh food products. Leftover food products from the store will be collected and turned into biogas. The biogas is for heating up and cooking food for customers. The walls of this zero-carbon store are different than any other stores as they are not made by plaster or bricks but chemical residue-free rammed natural earth. These walls will reduce heat from outside and keeps inside temperature stable. To reduce the use of water for the store, a rainwater reservation pond is set up to collect rainwater for watering plants and trees, cleaning cars in the car cleaning service, as well as in the store's restrooms.
Well, in this store, we have implemented about 99 initiatives, which will bring us to zero carbon emission for this store. Altogether, 99 PV farm, PV rooftop, and also wind turbine. And on top of that, we also implement green construction materials like rammed earth, which use natural clay to do our wall on the store. Another thing is a new technology like the LED lighting, innovative design to maximize the natural light, and also all the energy-saving technologies has been employed on these stores.
After opening up 2 green stores in Rama 1 in 2004 and Salaya in 2008, this zero-carbon store is the 3rd one in Tesco Lotus Green family. However, all these 3 stores, especially the zero-carbon store, are only testing grounds for Lotus because going green does cost a huge amount of investment. The investment budget of this zero-carbon store is as high as 159 million baht for complete store, 44 out of 159 million baht for green initiatives such as solar farm, wind, and natural refrigeration. The property director even states that it would take up to 18 years for financial return. Yet Tesco Lotus thinks it is still worth the money.
We invest about 159 million baht for all the construction and all the land costs, which is about 3 times higher than our normal build cost of the same small size of the store. Definitely, if you look just in terms of financial return, it would take up to 18 years to return back of all the initiatives that we launched in here. But in fact, we launched this store because we want to learn from it, right? So we bring all the initiatives that we have done in the past, also test some new initiative here, and hopefully we can learn a lot of it, and then we can roll it out to all other stores in the future.
Though the company has no plan to open new green store in a couple of years, the effective and easy to implement initiatives in this zero carbon store will be introduced to other Lotus branches. The next step for Tesco Lotus in environmental protection is to engage employees and customers to join their green initiatives. Protecting the environment is not a person or a company's responsibility, but it's a matter of every single one of us. We have to do it for the future generation and for the world we live in. Onravee Tangmeesang, ASEAN TV, Chonburi, Thailand.